Jen, your little elf child is. Both elf children are hitting the bottle. They're hitting it hard. Seriously? Give me that. Oh. Let's go learn how this stuff's made.
Times you have that shot.
Jen, our timing's getting really bad. Okay, you guys ready?
It is not alright.
Do we have a good show for you today? Happy Fish Friday to you. Today is March 8, 2019, and we're surprising the kids today. Cue the B-roll. There's a train. That is a nice billboard right there. Yeah, do you have any idea where we're going?
I said they make things that you can eat.
They have no idea. They have no idea. Come on, give me some good guesses.
This is stuff Poo-Poo listed on.
Oh, come on. Check that out. There's a lot of 2x4, son. Woo!
What is it?
Did you guys guess yet?
Is it the ball?
Do you know where we are yet?
I was waiting. Where's the candy shop?
Let's go. Good thinking, you guys. Let's do it. Alright, still got it. So here's where the ride begins.
Watch your step. You're going right to the brown car.
Thank you. Whoa. Are you super amped? Huh? Are you super amped? Hey guys, welcome to the show. We're here at the Hershey Chocolate Factory.
Please remain seated with your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times.
What better way than to take your kids on a field trip, an educational field trip, to Hershey, Pennsylvania? I mean, this couldn't have been a better adventure. The crazy thing is, we didn't spend a dime. It didn't cost us anything to go to Hershey World. I'm not even joking. It's completely free. From beginning to end, Cashman Paisley and Penelope learned how that Hershey chocolate is made. This was definitely a fun way to learn. They loved every second of it, man. It was so cool. And at the end of the ride, they lavished us with the Hershey chocolate bar. So we didn't ride it just once, twice, or 3 times. We rode it like 15.
The lie detector determined that was a lie.
It was a great day. It truly was. It was a fantastic day. We highly recommend it. If you families, are looking for a fun day trip, jump in a car, take a ride to Hershey, Pennsylvania. You will not be disappointed. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you. Bye.
Fat boy. Wait, fat boy.
Oh yeah.
You have to forcefully do it.
Oh boy. Paisley.
No, you have to.
She doesn't want to get in her car seat.
Oh, you have a bracelet on.
You're welcome, kiddos. Thanks for coming. All right, guys. We'll see you. I hope you enjoyed that adventure. It was so much fun. Be sure to like and follow our page. We'll see you. Bye. Dude.